Okie dokie. Got my I got my stuff from China. A little bit of an unboxing going on here. We'll see what it's like. Oh, let's see here. All right, let's see what we got. Oh boy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Can you guys see that? Let's see if I put my hand behind it. Vank Pro. Holy cow. Oh, they look great. They did a great job on these. Unbelievable. Wow. They're perfect. Oh, a little bit of a burr here where they drilled through. I'm going to have to maybe talk to them about that. Let's see what the other ones are like. So that's one. Oh yeah, there's definitely a burr here where they went through. Laser etched. That looks pretty good. Just a little bit of a burr. I think we're definitely going to have to ask them to do a little deburring operation. But these, 50 cents a piece. Oh, they look great. Oh, that's great. Let's get a bit. Let me grab a bit real quick here. Let's see if it'll. Make sure it goes in. And we got, let's get an extension as well. Oh. Holy cow. Let's bring the whole thing over here. Okay. So here's some bits. Let me see how this goes in. Looks good. Not much play. It's pretty decent. Let me grab this extension. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, that's great. Let's see here. I've got another extension. This is a shorter extension. Actually, I don't know if it's shorter. It doesn't look like it's shorter. That looks pretty good. Let's test each one of these. That's good. That's good. Hopefully you got the right one there. Oh yeah. Very nice. So I'm going to bring these out to, this is going to be the first product for Vank Pro. It's kind of a specialty screwdriver, kind of a precision screwdriver that will use these 4mm shank bits that you see in a kit like this. But the nice thing about it is this kind of a driver is very much a precision driver. Very nice in the hand. iFixit really popularized this, and then they went away from it. I'm bringing it back because I see people asking about this thing. So $8, $10, maybe $12, depending on configuration. Maybe I'll do 2 of them with 2 extensions. Oh, here, I'll get another extension here. 2 extensions, maybe $15, and you get all that. A nice thing is you can also put the extension through the hole, and you have a little more whatchamacallit, torque, leverage. Looks really good. Pretty happy with that. All right, well, I think we'll sign off. Talk to you later.